Hello guys, today I'm going to be making a demolition video on standoff. And yep, so today I'll be making one Titanfall video, this is the Black Ops 2 video, and a COD video. Did I already make that? And a COD Ghost, I guess, if I haven't made one already. So yeah guys, let's just jump right into it.
Demolition.
I call this one my boomstick.
Eliminate the objectives.
So guys,
Inbound.
this game is like a year and a half old, but I still really like it. Still a really good game.
Stitched him up. Down. Let's go.
Yeah, guys.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
You haven't got this game? I do. I suggest you get it. Actually, no, I'd save for another game because this game is getting pretty old. But yeah, it's a good game.
Yeah, you should save up for well, good go.
Oh yeah, I didn't even know my friend was in this. Yeah, so my friend Dom, that comes out of nowhere, is in the game too. So yeah.
Oh, he ain't. I'm in.
So yeah, guys, you guys, yeah.
Bomb online. Drop. Hostile UAV incoming.
Alright guys, so I'll be making again. This is the last time I'll tell you guys. I'm making one Titanfall video today, one GTA 5,
Bomb deactivated.
and then yeah, that's it for the day. I'll be making a and I'll be making
Let's go.
holy shit.
He's gone.
Oh yeah, so I'm gonna use my Msmc.
Coasting out.
Alright guys.
Be advised, hostile lightning strike
Alright
inbound.
guys, you guys are cool. You guys are my broskies. My broski muffins. Oh, by the way, I made a new slideshow. And,
Yeah, I've seen it.
no, you haven't.
I've got you.
Yeah,
We
so,
lost that round, but it's not over yet.
round 2,
Step
ding
up.
ding.
Hey, I'm in.
Are you get stuck or not?
Hopefully. This server's full crap.
Movement.
Didn't I kill? Yeah, I killed this guy. I killed this guy.
Crap.
Half time.
I killed that guy right after. So guys, this is
can't
round
play
2,
with
demolition.
Demolition.
I can't play with you.
It's fine, I'll play GTA 5 with you after.
Protect the objectives. Be advised, hostile MQ-27 Dragonfire spotted.
I ain't good. Whenever I hear those, I know I ain't good. That poor guy. And they destroyed it already? That is kind of mean. Holy shit. Sorry guys if I scream. I'm just really hyped. I got the patty hype! So guys, we're gonna rush. This isn't rushing, we're defending. What am I saying? What? Thought I had no fall damage on. Okay, so yeah guys. Party all the time, party all the time.
UAV awaiting orders. Care package awaiting orders.
I actually don't even know what I did. What did I do? I got all freaking
UAV inbound.
rise, mother trucker. All rise, mother trucker. Nobel Prize, mother trucker.
What? It goes like that.
I have some fries, mother trucker. Black guys, I'm allowed to say that because I'm black. Tricked you. So guys, just gonna throw it on our care package. Get it. Yeah. Let's go. Oh my gosh, he's taking it back.
R60 ready for deployment.
They're like little boy cars. I love using them. You're so tactical.
RCXD inbound.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Mission clock about to expire. Step up.
Yeah, guys. This is about it. Oh, you made me like break my back. Whatever happened there.
Concussion out! Concussion out!
Charges set.
You titty flicker. You titty flicker.
Incoming.
Oh,
Friendly lightning strike inbound.
bomb defused.
Bomb offline.
This guy's clutch. Oh, freaking hell.
Hunter killer drone
Hey
deployed.
guys, this one I'm gonna plant.
Charges
Yes.
diffused.
What?
Enemy down. Grenade!
Ah, no! No hit marker.
UAV awaiting orders.
Sorry guys. I'm not gonna complete the video, but yeah, thanks guys for watching. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys. And I'm out.